I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why are you going on?
Another day of taking it one step at a time, because what other choice do I have? Every week, I wake up excited to run to the door to grab my package of raw organic produce from Fresh Harvest. I love that their items are locally grown and delivered bright and early around 7 a.m., right when my day starts. It's the perfect time for me to plan out my meals for the next few days and figure out what items I need to get from the grocery store. I'm incredibly grateful for this option because finding high quality food can be challenging unless you're growing it yourself. Most mornings, I kick off my day with fresh juice. I like to mix it up so it's not the same recipe every time, though apples and oranges are my staples. I know staying raw can feel overwhelming, especially when you're not sure what to eat. That's why I share as many recipes as I can. It's my way of helping you navigate this lifestyle. One thing that I love about this journey is that the intense cravings and hunger you might experience in the first few months won't last forever. The body is incredible at adapting to change. Since going raw, my stomach has shrunk so much that I can't even remember the last time I felt the kind of aggressive hunger I did in the beginning. Over time, your tolerance builds, and the foods you used to crave will no longer appeal to you. It's fascinating to see this transformation. For me, the smell of oils, meats, and other cooked foods has become completely unappealing. This change doesn't happen overnight, but as your body adjusts, it develops new cravings and dislikes. It's amazing to witness, and I never thought I'd reach this point, but I'm here now.
Through the legs. Then we hit that sprint.
Let's talk about the Yesoul G1M Plus. This bike comes with adjustable seating and screen extension, making it perfect for taller users. Getting started is simple. Just scan the QR code, download the app, and connect your phone and Wi-Fi to kick off an incredible cardio session. The app features a wide variety of workout videos, giving you the feeling of having a personal trainer guiding you every step of the way. It's a great confidence booster and keeps you motivated throughout your workout. With so many options to choose from, there's something for everyone. I wasn't sure if I was going to make it through this workout. It was extremely intense, but so worth it. In my history of doing cardio, I never hopped on a bike before, so this is new for me. The bike also comes equipped with a built-in speaker that delivers clear sound, a swivel screen for added convenience, and free screencasting for apps like Netflix and YouTube. And the best part is super affordable. Their Christmas sale is still going strong, so if you're interested, click the link in the description and use promo code PEOPLE to get $100 off. Let's dive into some recipes. Today, I'm mixing up some tomatoes, cilantro, pomegranates, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and red chili flakes. For the record, this isn't a meal on its own, but a versatile mixture I'll use in other recipes throughout the week. I like to prep as much as possible to save time and energy. Over time, I learned the key is balance. Not too much fruit, not too many vegetables, and a little extra focus on herbs. Having a healthy balance makes meal creations so much easier. When you prioritize nutrients, your perspective on meals shifts. It's not about how the plate looks, but if it's truly providing your body what it needs. A meal can appear balanced, yet lack essential nutrients. So focusing on the quality of what you're eating is critical. Fermentation is such an amazing aspect of raw lifestyle. It's not just about creating delicious new dishes, it's also incredible for gut health. This is my third time making fermented cucumbers and is quickly becoming a go-to whenever I have extra cucumbers. This batch turned out great as always, and I'm excited to share more fermented recipes with you soon. Being on this journey really pushes you to learn. There's no way around it. You have to pick up a book or dive deep into online research, or the experience can become frustrating. I get it. Learning something new, especially when it involves food, can feel overwhelming. You don't want to mess it up and end up wasting ingredients, but trust me, in the end, it all comes together. This next meal is a little more interesting. While I'm preparing a dish, I'm also making a sauce that I'll not only use in this recipe, but in several others. Keep watching. It'll all come together, I promise. One of my personal rules is to never make a meal without finding a way to reuse at least one of the ingredients in other dishes. And here's a little secret. I still have days where I eat very little or even nothing at all. This is truly a lifestyle. And once you start seeing it that way, you will realize that it's no different than how your meals or diet naturally change day by day. Every day is different. Every dish I make can be recreated in a million different ways. My travel meals look different from my at-home meals, and I love that variety. I'm embracing the journey, knowing that each day I'm becoming wiser, healthier, and gaining more experience to help someone else along their path to better health. I'm still proving things to myself so that when I share advice with you, I can do it from a place of complete confidence.